Hey, bro, you know that vacuum cleaner you bought yesterday? Well, it doesn't work. How do you know? Because when I used it yesterday, it didn't clean. All it did was make noise. They wouldn't sell the vacuum cleaner if it didn't clean. Yeah, okay, whatever. You want me to show you? Yeah, I would.
Well, where is it?
I don't know. This is where I put it last time I used it.
The heck? I'm going back to sleep.
Alright, whatever. Stupid idiot. Whatever. Who cares? There you are, you rusty old hunk of junk.